Olusope Samuel, law student for University of Crescent. This one they for Ogun State. They don't accuse this one. In fact, I don't even know which English to use. Any English, I bet all of now we go school. Any English we pass accuse. They don't accuse her now because they don't say he drug person. After he drug him, he comes harass him sexually. Relax. I know so many of una mind don't they go say na a woman. In fellow guy. This one why they talk about the Samuel in day 500 level, all of them be lawyers, they study law. And he go drug 200 level students. He drug in food. When the guy don't they understand, they stagger. Now so he just carry on. Now so they catch these two, Samuel, the 500 level student, they give the 200 level student BJ. No be smart, you know. Now so they catch them red-handed. Can't see wahala. And matter even reach me say they don't expect this one before the 500 level student. They expect her before from Afe Babalola University because of this same matter. They say he don't drink blood anywhere he find himself. If you no gree by force, if I go buy the drug, put on, find way anyhow, make confuse you, then you go chop or you go drink her, and he go carry what he won't carry from you. And as I talk to Nana, the 200 level student they don't carry and go hospital, and the school still they think of punishment where they go give the madam I be the oga, sorry. I mean for now we don't know what thing they happen. Join me, make we watch the video.
You don't reason say if he para.
Yes.
So the child way in
and I tell him no cast me. I beg him.
But the child way in the job don't make him busy waiting day inside.
I no put anything for the child.
Or drink or something. Drink
I know I don't I say.
But why you no complain that time? Why you no complain that time?
Why no complain back?
Why you no complain that time?
I ain't complain back.
Why you no give you what slap when he give you today? Why you no give you those slap that time?
Who was who was my penny put am back?
I say I don't beg her that time. Me no vex. Now say that kind of look.
Let me give you the mind. Let me give you the mind.
I said people go and carry the mind.
Me I was coming to my former school now.
So you feel say you no go complain.
I was coming to my former school.
You be that done.
So
Hi. Oh boy. Wahala will never end in this life. See in head safe. The head alone, the whole shape and everything just be like amaladudu. I don't even know where all the people were ugly. Why not just sabi they misbehave? I don't just understand. Already you know fine, no. You still can't add nonsense on top of. Make una know they surprise, oh. In fact, right now, as I dey like this, from my mind, I don't calculate them. 80% of Nigerian men don't turn gay. Now waiting me at the think I don't know about now because I don't just understand. Every day you dey hear gay matter. I don't tire anytime you hear matter na gay. It could be like one disease. Waiting. And the thing they spread past anything. You be like say as they shake hands, the thing go just enter. Automatically they go just change. More. Chineke me parents. No, because see, if I tell something, I go to talk say it's out of their will, it's out of their will. Parents, na parents be the genesis of every pikin on this world. At least 80% parents na their work. And see person now where we dey talk about, it won't be lawyer. Person where they drug people, if they harass them sexually. Now only God know which other thing you know do where they no mention. Lawyer. So tomorrow now this one go graduate. Come sit down for one high position. They give orders. They define, they determine the law of the country and everything. This one. Hi, me Nigeria no finish. Nigeria no go finish in Jesus' name. Ha! Omochi. See, una no go understand. Now because of the way they feel. I don't just understand. I beg this school now, una even be part of my problem right now. How come up till now, una they think of punishment to give? Una they think. Happy thinking, no? Thinkers Association. Una they think. A gravity of this kind of crime, una still dey think instead of una right now una suppose don decide whether na to remove am. At least that one no be punishment sha, but at least na something, na one step. Remove am first of all from the school. Una still dey think. Police station don close, una still dey think. Una no fit. I no just understand. Sometimes una even dey add to the problem wey we dey face. And for una wey dey do gay, no be just this guy o. All of una, you know say this thing dey your body. Assuming una parents been gay, you they go born you. Na simple question wey I just bring. Maybe this one go help your brain open because you don too close, too much eba don closer. If your parents, let's say man and man dey meet, the one that they do am now, where the woman wey go bring you come this world? Una go just see something, una go just wan dey follow. White person bring this one, una go follow. White person turn this way, una go turn this way. They do this one, una go do this one. Every day of black man life na to dey follow. They no wan know how come. They no wan know. Now you wan stop because this is one that they do. Una dey try stop another generation. Hey, wait oh, make it not be say these people they work together with those people wey want reduce population o. Hey, now I don't think I'm all bara. No, because imagine man and man, they no go produce now. Make it not be say these people don't sit down get meeting. Hey whoa, hey, wala they I beg, ladies. If you know say you get man, no, I know they talk of those sorts where they do 50-50. Man, 100%, in fact 1000%. Hold am tight. Because the way we dey go now, very soon, you know, remember that part of Bible where they talk say 20 women will be fighting for one man. It be like saying that the one way go come happen now. And make una not try go near my man, no. Hey, una see this my nails. I'll go scratch una face. Una no try am. He's for me alone. I beg. If you know say your man don't turn to gay, no be my consignment. Go find your own solution by yourself. You understand? Very, very important. I know they laugh. No, Natisa, I know they laugh. See my face. No go near Madam Aproko. I beg. I still say no dey enough. This guy matter they do me somehow. You know dey enough say you be gay. Now you dey force am onto other people unconsciously. You go first allow them pass out or make they know they think. Then you go come do. You see, I know they accept anything homosexual or all those things. But I beg, if you know say you won't do this nonsense, if you know say you they do am or you won't do am, biko, look for people who already dey inside this matter. No come they infect our normal people where they follow woman. Go and look for the ones that are already there. Now just they reduce population of men. I don't even understand where we even they go again. I don't tire. I beg, brothers, make una dey careful. Brothers, if you know say you get gundus now they talk to now. Dey careful because I dey sure say now Satan don't get meeting. They don't send because this is a mission. Na mission, they don't sit down gather. If they say they want to transform all the male gender now, they want to transform them to gay. And I dey wonder wetin government they do concerning this gay matter. Up till today, I dey wonder. Wetin una dey do as government of this country, the nation? Na only title una get, title holders. Na only that one una sabi, fuel this one, fuel increasement, fuel deduction, headsmen, nobody should kill any headsmen. Na only matter wey we dey hear every day. If una no borrow, una dey talk about headsmen. If una no dey talk about headsmen, una dey talk useless things. The main purpose, in fact, the main reason, the main thing wey una suppose sit up to, una dey allow am pass under una nose like say una no dey see am. Arrest these people. Once again, if una no remember una job, now why are they here? To remind una. Arrest these people. Start from the ones at the top. Bob and James and all those ones where we know. Start from them because see, now they inspire all these people. Where una think say all these things they come from? Now from one person. One person go bring idea and other people go buy am. Now like that they start. So start from the head. Go and bring all of them down, arrest them so that the rest will see. Because before you know and now, see this generation, we don't even know where it go end. Now what bring this matter? Government, President Buhari, I beg. And biko universities, if you know say you be owner of university management, anyone, polytechnic, look this boy face very well. Make sure say una no allow am inside any school, because this one they no even deserve to go school. Already on their own, they don't make up their mind. Wetin be the school for again? These ones, if they go school now to contaminate other students, so we don't need them. He need to be inside prison. And for the school, since una don't know which punishment to give am, abeg, now I bring her, lock him up. Lock him up. And I know one year say 3 days, 1 month. Lock him up. This one does not deserve to be roaming on the streets. Now animal be that. You understand? And now I bring this matter. So my people, wait till you think concerning this talk. Drop out for that comment section. And make sure say you share and subscribe. If not, you no go get notifications like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.